Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create a task management app with ClickUp and no code, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ClickUp website and signing in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your tasks. Click on the new space button to create a dedicated workspace for your task management app. Name your space based on your project or team for easy identification. Next, select the appropriate color and icon to represent your space visually. After creating your space, click on the new folder to organize your tasks within that space. Label your folder with a relevant name, such as Project Management or Task Tracker. Within the folder, click on the new list option to start categorizing specific tasks. Name your list according to the specific area you want to manage, like current projects or to-do. Now, click on the Add Task button to begin entering tasks into your list. Provide a detailed task name that clearly describes the action required. Add descriptions to your tasks to give more context or outline specific requirements. Set due dates for each task to help prioritize and maintain deadlines. Assign tasks to team members by selecting their names from the Assignee dropdown. Utilize the priority feature to mark crucial tasks that need immediate attention. Consider adding tags to tasks for better categorization and easy retrieval later. Explore the options for attaching files or linking relevant documents directly to tasks. Enable reminders so team members receive notifications about upcoming deadlines. Customize your task views based on your preference list view, board view, or calendar. Use the automation features within ClickUp to streamline processes, such as automatically assigning tasks. Incorporate custom fields to track specific project metrics or additional information. To visualize progress, create dashboards that aggregate data from your tasks. Regularly review and update tasks for status and completion to maintain project flow. Finally, invite your team to collaborate by sharing the space and granting appropriate permissions. Your task management app is now set up and ready to enhance your productivity with ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.